In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Ads account to your Shopify store using the Google and YouTube sales channel. This process is vital for those of you looking to measure the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns and optimize performance through conversion tracking. So let's dive right into it. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install the Google and YouTube app within Shopify. To do this, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings section and then click on Apps and Sales Channels. You'll find an option there to customize your store. Click that, and in the search bar, type Google and YouTube. Once you locate the app, go ahead and install it. This app will serve as the bridge between your Shopify store and Google Ads account. Now, with the app installed, our next focus is connecting your Google Ads account. Begin by accessing the Google and YouTube sales channel within Shopify. You should see an option for connecting your Google Ads account. At this point, you have a choice. Either select an existing Google Ads account from the drop-down menu, or set up a new one if you haven't yet created one. Follow the prompts carefully to authorize the connection. This step is crucial as it allows your campaigns to gather and utilize data effectively. Moving forward, it's essential to set up conversion tracking if it's not already in place. Still within the Google and YouTube app, look for the section dedicated to conversion tracking setup. If you're utilizing a Google tag with an ID starting with AWO, make sure conversion tracking is enabled within the app, and then click on Complete Setup. For those using a tag starting with G, follow the on-screen instructions to establish tracking and link your Google Analytics FAR4 property. There's also an option for manually setting up Google Analytics tracking if you prefer that route. After you've completed these setups, it's important to verify the connection. Return to your Shopify admin under the same section, Settings on Apps and Sales Channels, Google and YouTube. Here, you should see a confirmation of your Google Ads account linked and conversion tracking turned on. Finally, don't forget to sync your products. The Google and YouTube app will facilitate syncing your Shopify products with Google Merchant Center. This step is essential for running effective shopping ads. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll successfully link your Google Ads account to your Shopify store, enable conversion tracking, and be on your way to running effective advertising campaigns. Remember, each step plays a significant role in ensuring your campaigns are not only set up correctly, but are also optimized to deliver the best results for your business. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising!